Hello guys, yeah, on the previous video we discussed about how to live stream to YouTube. On this video we're going to be discussing on how you can live stream to Facebook. So let's dive into our browser. So you must have logged into your Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account. So where you want to live stream to really matters. For instance, if I want to live stream to, let me on my data. My data is not on. Give me a few minutes. Okay, all right, we're good to go. All right, so we are up. All right, so where you want to, this is Facebook, want to live stream on Facebook. So what do? I'll click on live stream here. This is on my Facebook wall. This is on my Facebook wall. Click on live stream here. You can see, go live stream, create a test broadcast before going live, create live video event. You can see. So now I can decide to click on this go live. I can decide to go live, but then there's something I would want you to actually notice while we go live. So I click on live. Something we're having trouble completing your request, please try again later. What's it? Okay, create an event ahead of time, share your live. What's the problem? Why is this not working? All right, the go live now is working. I believe it's that testing that did not work. Let's see what comes up. It's still loading. What's the challenge? Why are thou taking time? Is it my network? What's wrong? Okay, let me close this and use this tab here. This new tab here. Okay, let's try it again. What's on your mind? No, it's to go live. I want to go live. So I don't want to create event, I want to go live. Create a test broadcast. This was where you're supposed to. And this is not working. I can decide to choose who will view my live broadcast. I can post to the page I manage, or I can post to the group I manage. That's to say, I am trying to go live with my own account. You get? I'm trying to go live with my own account on these very platforms. Or I want to go on a timeline, on my timeline, or I want to go live on page or go live on post. So this is why I'll determine the destination of the live section, where people are going to see my live section. So once you are done, you can see you are currently not live. If you are live, this way is going to show. So I'm going to click on go live now. I don't know what's wrong with my network. I believe it's the testing that is not working. Let's go live now. Please load. I don't have time. All right, you can see we are up. So the first thing you are going to do is to what? You are going to be introducing a key. Remember, I want to go live using our OBS. So if you want to use a webcam, it's just, if you want to use your camera, your phone, or your laptop camera, this is where you go. But want to use streaming device, want to use OBS because we want to show our screen to people out there. So I'll go to this streaming software setup here. I'll click copy this key. So I'll copy this key. I'll go back to my OBS. I'll click on settings, either here or you go to your file here and click on settings. So the moment you click on settings, it's going to come up with this. Click on stream, then you change this from what is here to Facebook Live. You can see this streaming service does not support your current output resolution time and frame. There will be changed to the closest, so click oh yes. Now this is where I want to paste my streaming the server default. I want to paste my streaming key. Is the exact key I just copied from Facebook, so I'll paste it here. The moment I paste it here, I'll click on apply, then I'll click on OK. Then let's go back to our Facebook and see what happens. Let's see if it's going to pick it. If it's going to pick it. Let's see the advanced option here. Yeah, we don't need all this. We don't need all this. So this is where we are. We have been able to copy our stream key, and we have inserted our stream key. We connected it to OBS. So you come to your OBS controls here and click on start streaming. So as soon as you click on start streaming, you can see stop streaming. This green light shows it's already live. So I'll go back to my Facebook now and see if it is here. Can you see connecting live video? So this is trying to pick my OBS video now. And if you look to your left hand side now, you can see connect video source. We have done that. Complete post details. This is where we are now. You can see our OBS is showing now. So post details now. We'll come down to where is detail about. So this is a place. This post detail about. So I'm testing OBS, right? Testing OBS live streaming. So I can add a description, creating OBS crash course. OBS crash course. You can see. So once I'm done with that, I'll just come down to you can see you can also add your live video to your story. You can see. So once you are done with that, the next thing is to come down to you can even pin a comment here. Enable preset pinned comment. You can pin a comment so that as soon as people view they are on your live, they will be able to see this. So if you are done with this, you come to this place. You can see the next thing is to go live. We have succeeded in adding our post information, and you can see these are complete details. So let me activate this and put a comment on the post. Can you see? So you can see this what is going to pin is going to show here. So I will edit the comment now. I can type something. Or are you taking time? I don't have time, please. Okay, let me just forget about that. It's really taking my time. So now we are set. Let's assume we are set with everything. So what we'll do now is we click on ensure that your network is very strong. You require a strong network to actually go with this. If you don't have a strong network, it will be a big challenge to use OBS to go on live stream. So it's trying to connect. It has been connected. So why is it not showing? It's connected. It's connected. Okay, so now we want to go live. So we'll come to this place and we click on what? If you want to go live later, you can change this to go live later, but I want to go live now. So I will use now. So I'll click on go live. You can see live video is starting and it's already live on Facebook. So everything I'm doing on this video now is showing on my Facebook timeline. So people are currently watching this and they are seeing what is up. So that's how to use OBS to go live, to set up Facebook live stream using OBS. The previous one we did was on YouTube, but this very one is on Facebook. The next one that is coming up is going to be on how you can use OBS to set up live streaming on your Telegram. So that's how, once you are done with your live streaming, Once you are done, I think it's network is actually delaying it. It's trying to start, and it seems like network is trying to delay. So once it's up and you are done, you are already live, you can decide to stop it anytime you are done. You can see, I believe it's network. I don't know what's disturbing. It's trying to connect. I've not exhausted my subscription. Let me try to confirm it with my phone if we're live. Let me try to confirm if we are live. Yes, we are now live. Can you see it's showing you are now live? We have been live for up to 5 minutes, I guess. Yes, we are now live. So this video OBS is currently showing live streaming. You can hear my voice. I am confirming it with my phone, and we are live on Facebook. This is where you'll be seeing people's comment. You can see moderation here. You can see settings here. You can create a clip from the video by clicking here. You can publish a poll on the live video. You can cross post to more pages with this very live video, and it's going to show to them. So you can see your live streaming metrics here. You can see, so you can share the content, like you can copy this link here and send to people, and people will be able to view your current live section. You can check your insight here to see what's happening. On the insight now, it's going to show you information about your ad. You can see one viewer. Okay, still loading. Okay, can you see? Still loading. What's wrong? All right. So that's how to use OBS to go live on YouTube. As soon as you're done, sorry, on Facebook, not YouTube. As soon as you're done, the first thing to do is to click on End Live Video. So you click on End Live Video. To ask you for permission to end it, you click on End, and everything will be done with. So it's telling you that the video will be available soon. So let's wait and see what happens. You give a few minutes, just wait and see what's going to happen. Okay, was live. Can you see? Was live. So as soon as you are done, you can decide to return, or you can just leave it. You can decide to return or leave it. But then you are done live streaming, so you can stop your OBS now, and if you are recording or whatever you're doing, you can head on to stopping so that you have your video in place. So the next video is going to be on how to use Telegram to go live.